Oh no, wait, I forgot the wings. Uh-oh, I lost the plane. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Foodexpertchi. I just came back from my Europe trip, so if you haven't checked out all my videos yet, all the links to them are in the description box down below. As I said, I just came back from Europe, and at the airport in Frankfurt Flughafen, we had some time, so we spent it at the airport duty-free shop. And well, a lot of people say that duty-free stores are a lot more expensive than supermarkets, which I agree, but there are some limited edition items that are only limited to duty-free. So we spent our time there at duty-free, and we came across this product that we're going to talk about in this video today. So let's close our eyes and pray, and then we are going to dig right in and take a look. I'm super excited. Alright guys, let's close our eyes and pray. Amen. Okay, are you guys ready? The product is going to be revealed in 3, in 2, in 1. Or should I do 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is, oh my gosh, Kinder Überraschungseier. Kinder Surprise Eier. Eggs. Kinder Surprise Eggs. Limited Airplane Edition. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I saw this and I was like, oh mom, I have to buy this. This cost me 8 euros. It's a little bit more expensive than the usual one, considering that one egg in Taiwan, one Kinder Überraschungs egg in Taiwan is 33 NT dollars. That's about almost 1 euro, but this one with 5 eggs in here costs 8. But that's okay because they have this limited airplane edition. OMG, I'm so excited. Let's open this. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. Oh my gosh, you have to see this packaging. Oh, yeah, here it says there are 5 different kinds of airplanes in here. They have, this is Lufthansa, Singapore Airline, Thai Airlines, Kinder Plane, and Turkish Airlines. I'm super excited about these two, but I like any one of them. OMG, OMG, I like Lufthansa and Kinder Plane. Oh my gosh, can't wait. Let's open this. 5 Airbus inside. Full collection. How do I open this? Ooh. Come out. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Oh. This is the back. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, let's take one. I'm so excited. Oh, they're so soft. Oh, no. Okay, they're so soft. I don't know what to do. Oh, okay, cool. It says open here, so there's no way these are gonna fall because they're so fixed. I was so afraid that they were gonna fall, but no worries. Okay, it says right here, open here, open here. Okay, open. Okay. Oh, then you can take them out. Oh, okay, like this. Ooh. This is the Kinder Surprise in a foil, which is the more original one. Oh, I miss this kind of. This is not the exact kind, like the ones that I had when I was a kid, but it's something similar. It's also in a foil, and I think that it also has like one full chocolate egg in here. In Taiwan, we usually have this kind of thing. It's like, it's in two pieces, like two plastic pieces, and there's like chocolate sauce and some chocolate, like 2 chocolate balls inside. This one is also fun, but I'm more excited about this one because this one is more to the ones that I had when I was a kid. So, talk about childhood, guys. Like this video and let me know in the comment section if you grew up with this kind of Kinder Überraschungseier, Kinder Surprise eggs as well. Okay. Let's open this first airplane limited edition egg. Instead of one full foil, this one is actually is wrapped by 2 pieces of foil, which has this kind of concept. It's also like 2 pieces, but this one is like foil instead of like a full hard plastic part. OMG. Okay, this is the plastic foil 1/2. Yay! Look at this. Oh my, this is like 1 full chocolate egg. I'm so happy. Oh yes, please. But because that one is so hot, excuse my sweaty hair, it's so hot. It's a little bit soft, but oh yay. It's so creamy, so chocolatey. It tastes like childhood. Oh, see? Childhood vibes. Chocolate is so good. Yeah. Oh! I got Turkish Airlines. Ah. See? This is the explanation. Turkish Airbus. Turkish Airlines Airbus A330-300. Fuel capacity 97,170 liters. Passengers 295 to 335. Range 10,500 kilometers. Length 63.6 meters. Oh, so cute. This is my Turkish Airlines. Oh my gosh, that's so scary. What do I do? Oh, okay, I bend it. I make it straight. Ugh. Okay, and then... Oh, no, wait. I forgot the wings. What one? Oh, sorry. I have to put the wings in first. Okay. What do I do with the wings? What? Oh, okay, like this. What? Oh. Okay. Oh no, I don't know how to do this. Oh, it goes under. Okay. Ah, okay, like that. Oh. What? Yay! Yay! Got the plane ready. The plane is done, ready to go. Okie dokie. Now it's this part. You see there's a hole right here. So we just stick this in. Oh! actually put a sticker on. It comes in this egg. This is a sticker. Okay. Uh-oh, I lost the plane. Got it. Dear future husband. Oh, it falls off very easily. Done! Ah, this is so cute. Ooh. Shoo. Okay, next egg. Next, I'm gonna take this one. Same thing. Open here. You open. Ha ha ha. This is the egg. Why am I singing Christmas carols? I don't know. Na 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 na. Ooh 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 ooh. Okay. Da 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 da. Yay! Oh, what is this? Oh, Singapore Airlines. We have Singapore Airlines. Singapore, 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 Singapore Airlines. Here we go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Again, you have this bended aircraft. You put the wings first. I have had experience, so I know better now. Da 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 da. Oops. 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 Okay. Oh. It is pretty difficult to... What? Oh, you can see a hole. You have to put the wings between this hole. Okay, let's do it again. Really hard. Gotcha. Okay, Singapore Airlines. Shoo, landing. Okay, same thing. There is a stand right here, and you just put the sticker on. Sticker, Singapore Airlines. Singapore Airlines. Okay, we have 3 left. So far, I'm liking these airplanes. Next one. Okie dokie, guys. We have 3 more left. I'm going to go with this one. Finish the bottom line first. Okay. So, ooh, yay. Okay, let's guess which one this one is. These are the options. I think, this is Thai Airways. I think so. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm guessing. Make your guess. If you made your guess, okay. Yes, I got it right. Bingo. If you guessed Thai Airways, then yay, we won. This one is Thai Airways. I like the fact that the line in the middle is purple as well as the aircraft. So cute. Not wrong. No. Okay. Here. Ah! What? From the bottom, right? Okay. Like that. Yeah. Yes. I'm getting more and more professional at this. Yay. We got it. Yeah, babe, she's got it. Tie. Ooh, cute. Okay. Now the stand. What? Oh, this way. Okay. Wow, cute Thai Airways. Okay, now we have 2 more left. I'm gonna guess that this one is the Kinder Air, is it? Kinder plane, I'm guessing. I'm sorry, this is really soft. Are we right? Are we? No. This is Lufthansa. Lufthansa. Whoa. If you're interested in seeing the real Lufthansa and the interior design of it, the link to my vlog is in the description box down below, because we just took Lufthansa to Germany. So yeah, I've got a vlog with Lufthansa in it. Okay. When we're making videos and you're watching videos, right? This is our very last Kinder Surprise egg, and I don't know what's inside. I know you know too, but we're still going to open this and we're still gonna let it surprise us. Oh, this was easy. Ah, so cute. Oh, so cute. Look at this. Kinder. I like the fact that this totally has the same color as the real surprise eggs. What? Wow. Wow, so cute. So cute. It has a K here. Oh, so cute. Okay, this one. Yay. So cute. Next time I'll take Kinder to anywhere. Look at them. This is the entire collection. Wow. I love each and every one of them. So this actually came with the box, and if you open it, you can see. Did you know that
A330 currently operates to over 300 airports worldwide? Over 800 million passengers have flown the A330. Every day the A330 fleet flies the equivalent of 15 times to the moon every minute. An A330 takes off somewhere in the world. An A330 takes off or lands every 28 seconds of every day. 15 million of Kinder Surprise eggs can fill up an Airbus A330-300. OMG, that's so interesting. Okay, now let's close it and put it right here. Now we're gonna find a way to put all these aircrafts here. Oh my gosh, see, it's you can put it back into the box that it came in. OMG, this is like a perfect collection. Oh. Look at this. Well done, Kinder. Well done. I'm here. I'm just gonna end this video right here. I have to say that I've never had Kinder Überraschung Eier that were so much fun, and they're so meaningful. I love the fact that it came as a complete concept. It is a very interesting and very worth of collecting and keeping, because this is just wow, this is world above the clouds. Guys, I totally recommend you to buy this if you have the chance to, because really this is meaningful. Let me know what you think about this box in the comment section down below. Do you think this is a very interesting one, or do you think that this is way too much? Just let me know in the comment section down below your true thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for eating Kinder Überraschungseier with me. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also I can't wait to see you guys on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Have an awesome day. I will see you guys in another video very soon. And if you can, let me know in the comment section down below when the last time was for you to see the world above the clouds. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. See ya. Bye.